here's episode 1 of that Magnolia dupe shadow box. Well, today is episode 2. My name is Courtney. Let's get crafting. If you missed episode 1 of this shadow box series, you can check it out down below in the description box. In that video, I go into great detail with 9 tips of things to look for, things that you can purchase or even make to put in your shadow box. Now, I have got a ton of freebies again for you. For today's, we're working on a summer themed shadow box. So let's get started. Here is my spring shadow box that we are going to transform into a summer shadow box. So the first thing we have to do is take everything out. When it comes to storing this, my biggest recommendation, and this is what I'm using, is I am just putting these in these clear open pockets at one end and dropping it into a file folder bin that I have, and I'm just going to keep all of the items there. I'll change it from year to year probably and not use the same stuff, but I'd want to hold on to this for next year in case I want to use some of the same elements. I've pulled out my box of all my different pens. These all came from Amazon at some point, and this is what I like to use to kind of tack things down in my shadow box. And as I mentioned, there's a bunch of freebies with this. Now, if you don't have a shadow box, totally fine. You might be able to use some of these freebies for tiered trays or frame them, you know, things like that. But there is a huge variety that you can print out on cardstock if you want to. Just grab it down below in the description box. And before we dive into these really fun DIYs, I want to take a quick minute to tell you about my latest obsession. It's no secret that I love to play games, so now is the perfect time for me to tell you about today's sponsor, June's Journey. This is a game I have enjoyed playing for quite some time. June's Journey is an exciting, hidden object mystery game that takes you back to the glamorous 1920s. The main character is June Parker, who is on a mission to solve her sister's murder and uncover her family secrets. The game is very creatively done, keeping you engaged in this captivating detective story. Within each scene, you are looking for specific hidden items to help you advance through the game. You can even decorate your own island by adding landscaping, architectural features, and so much more. I've been designing my island by placing objects around the house first to make it feel more homey. There are also special events held that let you win in-game rewards. I love that the game is challenging, but not in a frustrating way. My little method is to find the objects that I want to pick, and then start at the top of the screen, scan left and right until I find the object I'm looking for. If you would like to try out June's Journey, you can download the link for free in the description box or scan the QR code on the screen. June's Journey is available on iOS and Android mobile devices as well as PC. And now sit back and relax as we pull together this summer shadow box. And even if you don't have a shadow box, some of these DIYs you might want to make for tiered trays or other little summer projects around your home. That will wrap up today's video. Let me know down below in the comments what is the one thing you're looking forward to the most in summer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out June's Journey. You can find the information down below in the description box. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!